Hello and welcome back to another episode of Teaching Partner. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing education, empowering teachers to create engaging, personalized content effortlessly. Today we are diving into edcafe.ai, a game-changing platform that brews high-quality teaching material with AI. edcafe.ai is a powerful AI toolkit designed for teachers. And here is the best part. It's free and forever will be. You get access to essential AI tools with 100 monthly AI credits, 3 custom chatbots, 3 assignment graders, and support up to 40 participants per quiz or chatbot. Let's run through its advanced features that no other AI does better. AI slide generator. You can craft a stunning tailored presentation in minutes to captivate your students. Assignment grader automatically grades assignment with personalized rubric based feedback, saving your hours. AI flashcard maker. You can generate custom flashcards to boost student retention and engagement. Teaching resources. Access a treasure trove of ready to use materials tailored to your curriculum. AI quiz maker. You can create interactive quiz from text, videos or website with flexible question generation. AI lesson plan generator. Similarly, you have vocabulary card generator, which can create vocab cards to enhance language learning with ease. You can design chatbots to answer a student question or guide them through lesson personalized to your teaching style. So let's explore. You need to click here, get started now. You need to sign in. I'm signing using my Google account. So here you go. So after signing in, you can see the interface here. Let's generate a lesson plan. You need to write a topic here first. I wrote exothermic and endothermic reactions. You can also use a simple text for copy paste or from website and so on. You have to write down some additional instructions. You can click on online resources and you can select your standard. I'm selecting a standard here. I wrote Pearson Edexcel IGCSE. I'm selecting my output language English, but you can select language as per your requirement. So I'm clicking on generate lesson plan. You can see here it's free. Amazing. You can see here standard is mentioned, vocabulary is given, essential questions, and there are web articles with links, YouTube video which are relevant, PowerPoint slide decks, PDF worksheets, lesson procedure, and it's aligned with 21st century learning skills. There is independent practice, differentiated activities, closure, extension activities, and reflection. It's simple, quick, fruitful, and amazing. I tried all the options and found it really amazing. So please try this platform and share your experience in the comment section. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this video is very useful for you. So thank you very much. If you have any question, query, or you need any support for making a decision, don't hesitate to write an email to theteachingpartner@gmail.com. Thank you very much and see you in the next video. Goodbye.